Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, part 2 of the drop shot video. In part 1, we were looking at the equipment, the rods, the reels, the lines, the leaders, the hooks and the weights, and we also looked at how to tie my special rig, the Gummy Stop drop shot rig. In today's video, we are going to look at bait, different types of bait that can be used for drop shotting. As you know, there is hundreds and hundreds of baits on the market. Some baits are specialty baits that are specifically made for drop shot. So we're going to look at them first, and then we are going to look at alternatives on the market that you can use for drop shot that is very effective. Let's start with the specialty baits. The first ones that we are looking at is like the custom leeches from Kitech. They are specifically made for drop shotting. Very effective. My sister loves fishing with them in very difficult conditions where the fish is really finicky. This is a top bait to use. They are very effective. The next bait that you can use that is specifically made also for drop shot is the power baits, the Berkley, the straight money. Even though you know I like using it as a wacky rig, this one is specifically for drop shot. I'm going to take this one out and show you, because if you hook it on the head, you've got the tail hanging, and then it's very effective. So another bait that is specifically made for drop shot is this one, the water bug from Berkley Power Baits. You have seen it before unboxed, so yeah, I'm not going to open it. And a very effective bait that I fished a lot with is your mani crabs from Savage Gear. There's a video that I'll show you where I caught some nice bass on this. It's excellent for drop shot. Then another bait that's also specifically made for missile bait, you can just hear by the name, the bombshell. This is the one for drop shot, different colors. Very effective bait. You can see it's also good for drop shotting. There's many baits you can use. There's also baits that were very successful when we did drop shotting was on the Crow Pappy from Young. Very effective bait for drop shot. You just hooked it on the head, and it works perfect, especially at Potsdam. Another bait from Young that you can also get is the Young Dinger. This is the smaller version. This is the 3-inch Dinger. You can see it's very small. If you open it, you can see, you just hook it there and you can see it will stand up in the water. Very effective bait. Another bait that is specifically made for drop shotting that I forgot is your drag and drop. This is the new bait from Coogan Baits that I unboxed the other day. That is there. So yeah, it's specifically made for drop shotting. Then another bait that can be used also is your mini lizards. Can also be used as a drop shot bait. You can see when you hook it like that, you can see the potential is great here. One of the baits that is very effective as a drop shot bait, many people use them for drop shot. We caught a lot of fish on them before, is your small flusies or your flukes, your junior flukes. This ones, if you put them on a drop shot, they work perfectly. They are wonderful baits to use, especially in the summer. Then little swim baits like these ones are also very effective on a drop shot. These baits, the flipping craws, I know it sounds weird to put a flipping craw on drop shot, but in this case with the culprit ones, because they are so small, they are so effective. I've got a very nice bass on there, like this. You just put the hook in here and you are ready to go. Other baits that you can use is like the shatting pads, nose hook them. Also the 3-inch spinners from Corporate. We have some Fun Tackle, the scented earthworms, very small, very finessey. These ones, they work great, especially when you are surrounded by small bass that keeps on stealing the bait. These ones, they are wonderful. They are so super small. I hope you can see, but they are super small and super effective. Very finessey. Other bait you can also use is your finesse worms from Zoom. Very effective baits. You can see if you put them on like this, you will get amazing action. Another bait that is effective is the 4-inch Corporate baits. Sister loves using them as drop shot baits. She believes in them. She always buys packets of these things. But she caught some very good fish on them. Then we did talk about the junior flukes, and then last of all, even your Senkos, like your Lamkalocks, your 4-inch Senkos, like your Corporates. Yeah, I've got one on the table already. Very, very effective. If you nose hook it on a drop shot, it's perfect. Then I'm going to show you a video of how to rig your baits and what types are different ways of rigging, especially your Senkos. When it comes to rigging a drop shot, it is very simple and very easy. Everything in drop shotting is nose hook. We're going to take this fluke and we are going to hook it onto our rig. What we do is we just put it on the nose and we are ready to fish. That is our rig. Now the reason we do that is that it gives the bait free movement. So if you tap the rod or you shake the rod or something, this bait has got free movement on the hook. It will swivel, it can dance, it can do its thing to attract the bass, and it's very effective and it opens the hook, so you don't have to go for a big swing to hook it, because if you have an open hook, you just lay into it lightly and you set the hook. Sometimes they even bite themselves, they get hooked themselves, and the bait slides down when you catch it. Now the other way also, another rig, is to use the spin shot, the white cap, to use this hook and then you expose the hook, and it is weedless, so it won't get caught in the grass, but when the fish takes it and the bait slides down, the hook is exposed and he hooks himself. Very effective rig. And that is it, that's simple rigging. Technique wise, what I like to do with a drop shot is to cast it out and then have semi-slack line in the water and hold my rod and tip it with my finger at the bottom. And that makes the bait to shake under the water. Very effective. Sometimes when you just stop and the bait stands still, you feel it pull and it will go. Another way is also to cast it out, let it lay on a very, very slack line and just lift it up the rod and drop it again. It lifts the bait off the bottom and it drops it. And that action makes the worm to dance in the water. Some of your baits, like the Berkeley baits, float in the water, so they are automatically standing up, and that makes the bait very effective and you can get more action on the bait. I like fishing them where it's rocky areas, where there's a lot of stones and rocks and things in the water. It's very effective. And I also like to fish it before a grass line. So you cast, where the grass is, you just cast behind the grass line. And when you start dancing it, the fish will come out of the grass and take it. And that is why this rig is so effective, because you won't have a part of the weight hanging and catching up on the grass as he runs into the grass. Because the rib pulls down, like I said before, the weight is against the hooks and it's in his mouth, so there's no way he can snag them. Gentlemen, the other thing we can talk about also is that when you fish the drop shot, it's very important, like I said in the previous video, that the weight is on the bottom. It's very important. So your weight has to be heavy enough, but not too heavy for your rod, but it must be heavy enough to stay on the bottom. If it floats halfway, it is not a drop shot. It's not, you're fishing a floating rib. I prefer my weight to be on the bottom because that is how a drop shot is supposed to fish. Gentlemen, I hope that gives you some idea of what to use as a drop shot bait. What baits can you use? Hope it opens your mind a little bit as to different types of bait you can use, and you don't have to buy specific drop shot baits just to fish this method. It's an amazing method. This catches a lot of fish. Smallmouth, largemouth bass, they just love this. Got thousands of bass on them, and I want to give you that ideas and that knowledge, that especially for the beginners, that it is a technique that is easy to master, and once you are used to fishing it, you will realize that it can catch very big fish. Gentlemen, I think that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great afternoon. Please like and subscribe the videos. Hope you like the content. Please leave comments in the comment section. Tell me what you want to see on the videos. I can always make a plan. Ideas always is needed for videos. And stay safe and please keep well. Goodbye.